1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lecture of sound. It is a very antique idea that refers about symbols, and someone can guess one of these symbols by hearing the sound of their lines while they are being written. As you can see, a circle means one sound, a cross means two sounds because it has two lines, triangle means it has three lines, three sounds, square has four lines, four sounds, and the start five lines. So how can we employ this? First of all, you are not gonna use pencil nor paper. You are gonna use small pieces of cardboard and chalk. Okay? So when someone writes one of these symbols, you can guess it by the sound of the lines. Now I will write one of them in this piece of cardboard. Open your ears. That's right, cross, because you have here two lines. Another one. Yes, it's a triangle. So lecture of sound is a very amazing advantage that we have and we can employ it once in a while, and it's very nice when you do a mentalism show. It really works. I have tried it many times and it really works. So do not forget 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.